How to uninstall Bilibili on Android. First of all, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and look for the Apps or Application Manager. Then tap on it to see the list of installed apps on your device. From the list of installed apps, locate and select Bilibili, which will take you to the app info page where you can manage all aspects of the app including storage, permissions, and notifications. Inside the app info page, tap on Uninstall. You may be asked to confirm your choice. Tap OK or Confirm to proceed with the uninstallation. Once the uninstallation process is complete, Bilibili will be completely removed from your Android device, freeing up storage space and clearing app data, including settings and caches from your phone. Now you know how to uninstall Bilibili from your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.